Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day on this one, although couldn't quite maintain those gains that it had made early on in the day. So, started off very strong, gapped up, and just made a very impressive push to the upside. Problem is, like I said, that entire push was ultimately wiped away. But I am just talking about today in and of itself, right? It's not like the price went up there, then all of a sudden it just has dropped all the way down there to $100. So wiped away, I just mean relative to today's price movement. But when you look at multiple days here, you can still see that. Yeah, it was a disappointing day today, but overall, everything is perfectly fine. And quote unquote, overall being perfectly fine goes back to this line here that I talked about in several past videos, that green line at 152.50, which the price isn't anywhere close to. And the reason why 152.50 is important, in case you haven't watched the past videos, is if you just look at this from the bigger picture point of view, and assuming, the price comes down here again, bounces around and heads back up, what would that 152.50 mark still be giving you? Well, that'd still be giving you a nice set of lows here. Then you'd have these lows there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, then overall, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So, keep an eye on those, areas moving forward. But like I said, as of now, 152.50 isn't even anywhere close to being tested. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, what I'm going to do here is talk about a couple levels. First level, I'll just get this adjusted up now that we have more confirmation that, yeah, this level right up here around 163 is going to be that first level, or excuse me, not first, but it's going to be an overall level of resistance. The first key level of resistance, though, is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50 period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it the 160 mark. So again, first key level of resistance that'll need to be broken is that purple line, but then the next key level after that would be up there right around that 163 mark. So keep your eye on these technical levels moving forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.